knowing and understanding, these are two different things. The child may know how to operate complicated electronic gadgets, but probably they are not in a position to speak properly also. They are not emotionally very controlled person also. These non-traditional toys may be able to give you happiness and excitement, but failures will be very less, and lack of failures is the one which is now causing lot of problems. What happens is suddenly the lot of attractive toys are available, and plastic toys and all those things probably the children prefer because they play and then they lose interest and then they will throw. Traditional toys remains for a very long time, and traditional toys are for one generation to another generation. Probably one is losing interest, the parents are losing interest, so it is the parents who are actually encouraging children to go for the new types of toys and games which probably are used and throw.
लकड़े के टॉयज
लकड़े के टॉयज नहीं है। टॉयज में तो यहाँ
सबसे ज़्यादा चाइना के
मतलब यहाँ पे मिलते क्यों नहीं है, आपको कुछ पता है?
बहुत कॉस्टली आता है।
Myself is Rahil Patel. I have a interest in collecting vintage toys. I run an organization called Barso, which is into heritage conservation and preservation. Well, I have a variety of toy collection. Since my childhood, I was very curious about toys, and I've been I love playing with toys, but at the same time, I was collecting it.
Games probably gives you happiness, but the realistic consequences it fails to tell you, because driving the car fast and coming, but an accident won't matter. But in the real world, if you make even one accident, you can kill so many people and yourself, so you don't have another chance at points. So the games are good for fun and recreation at a later stage when you know what is your responsibility and self-control.
स्पिनिंग टॉप्स की आप बात करो तो नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया बट ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड आज भी लोग खेलते हैं।
जिंदगी है क्या, बोलो जिंदगी है क्या, जिंदगी है क्या, बोलो जिंदगी है क्या। जिंदगी है लट्टू, चाहे जहां नचा लो, चाहे जिधर घुमा लो, भाड़े का जैसे टट्टू लट्टू। जिंदगी है लट्टू। Papa,